Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use OBS Virtual Camera for Google Meet. So let's get started. First, open the OBS Studio website obsproject.com and download the installer. After that, follow the installation prompts to install OBS Studio on your computer. Over here, open OBS Studio and set up your scene. Then go to the controls panel at the bottom right and click on Start Virtual Camera. Next, open Google Meet and join a meeting. Over here, click on the three-dot menu at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then navigate to the Video tab. After that, in the Camera drop-down menu, select OBS Virtual Camera. Your customized OBS scene will now appear in Google Meet. Before going live, do a quick test to make sure your video feed is displaying correctly. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.